guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just have a little tip for you if you want to start changing up the interior in your Evo X or Ralliart or any other Lancer. That's the 2008 to 2015 model. So if you watched the video I did on my fiance's Ralliart hatch, which is the car I'm in at the moment, you'll remember that I mentioned how we have blacked out the interior roof. So I painted the front pillars as well as the middle and the back ones. Also the grab handles here, the lights and the sun visors. So those are all black. Then we got the roof lining professionally retrimmed. So the other ones you can do other than that is your steering wheel here. You can either buy a carbon fibre piece or you can take this one off and paint it. Now this one's a bit harder to do. I haven't actually removed this one myself. We got this done by AK Racing. But if you want to just get the carbon stick on, if you have the Evo X or Ralliart steering wheel, which is this one, you can get a Rec Speed carbon cover because this is normally silver, this piece here. And same for this one in here. So that one that I have in at the moment is actually completely silver. Normally you just have silver rings and this part here will be black. So what Letitia did for her car was she got this whole new piece painted satin black, and at the same time she got the steering wheel one. But rather than paying someone to paint it, I figured I'd show you how easy it is to just pull it out and paint it yourself. So this is the spare one that I have here, which I have silver at the moment. So we're going to pull it out and we're going to paint it black with this vinyl and fabric paint, which is the same paint that I used on the interior everywhere else that's painted. So yeah, you'll have one of these. It'll have the silver rings. Some people don't mind it. They want to keep the silver and the silver. But if you want to pull it out, paint it black, paint it red, any other colour you'd like, it is really easy to do. So what I'll do is I'll show you on this piece. You actually see there is clips all the way around. So the bottom, up around the sides, the top, and around this side. So the easiest way to remove it is to just sort of grab it and try and get corner by corner. So now we have one side out. Get the top and just carefully pull it out. Just make sure you don't break this one here when you're taking it out. So yeah, it's that easy to get out. This one actually has a few broken clips, so it was probably a bit easier. Has a broken clip at the side there. So yeah, that's how easy it is to take out. So yeah, if you just want to take yours out and paint it, get rid of the silver rings and yeah, paint it black or paint it red or any other colour you'd like. It's that easy. So what I'll do is I'll just put Letitia's black one back in for her, but then I'll paint this silver one that I just took out and show you how it'll look afterwards. But yeah, figured a very easy tip and mod that you guys can do if you want to start sort of changing your interior a bit. So we'll put this one back in, which I'll try and do one-handed. So first of all, we'll just line it up and get it over that button there. And then we're just making sure that that is on there firm. And we'll just press. Make sure all the clips are in. There we go, that one's back in. So yeah, like I said, I'll quickly paint this one. I'll paint this one black, as I may give this one away. It's not in great condition, so I don't really want to sell it. But yeah, might be giving it to someone. But yeah, I figured if you guys really, it's that easy to do. Yeah, you can pick up this vinyl and fabric coating paint for $16.50 at Super Cheap Auto, probably about the same at Autobarn or any other sort of automotive store that you have locally to you. And if you just want to paint a different colour, then yeah, go for that. But so yeah, let's give it a quick coat of paint and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm just put it down on this tarp here so I just don't get any overspray in my garage. So yeah, here's our paint. Let's give it a quick shake up. And it says we want 2 to 3 light coats until the surface is completely covered. So yeah, let's see how it looks. It's definitely a thick paint, I know from using previously, so yeah, we'll leave that for our first coat and we'll come back in a couple of minutes and we'll see how it looks after a second coat. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, we'll give it a second coat. And starting to look a bit better. So I'll definitely go for another 2 coats, let's say. We'll have to sort of stand it up so we can get full coverage on the inside. Because yeah, it's still pretty silver down in there. But yeah, we'll give it a few more minutes for that to dry and we'll come back for a third coat. Alright, so we'll give it a third coat now. Just leaned it up so I can kind of get some more coverage in some of the areas where the paint's not making it. Alright, so it's starting to look a lot better. We'll definitely get another coat or 2. So when that coat starts to dry, I'll flip it over again and try a different angle. But yeah, I think it's looking a lot better than, even this one was originally all silver, but just the silver rings. So if yours is already black, you just basically need to just get where it is silver black. Yeah, so we'll give it another 10 minutes, we'll come back and we'll try another coat. Okay guys, so I did a couple of last coats after I filmed last, so it's had definitely enough coats to cover silver now. As the paint on it before wasn't great, it's not the best job, but I'm actually using this one as it's got the couple of clips damaged anyway, so I'm just going to give it away or just keep it as a spare. But yeah, just to show you guys how easy it is for you to sort of start changing up your interior. Yeah, you saw how easy it was to remove. You can use the same paint that I used if you like, which is $16.50 a can, or any other one you'd like. If you want to go a different colour, they actually do make the Duplicolour vinyl dye in blue, red, there's different blacks, grey, yeah, definitely a few colours, or if you want to use a different paint. So yeah, definitely like an easy way to start sort of customising your car. If you've just got it and you want to do something easy, just make sure you're careful pulling it out. So just so you can see again the clips. So this is what you need to get. So I've got one missing over this corner, but we've got 4 clips at the bottom and another one broken here, but yeah, it'll be some at the side and then at the top. So yeah, when you want to remove it, just sort of start off one area and start to pull. Try to go for the bottom first and then work your way around. So yeah, easy to remove, just take your time. If you feel like you're going to break it, just try at a different angle. But yeah, very easy to remove, easy to paint, and it will change your interior up a bit. So yeah, great way to start. So I've got a few videos like this I'll be doing where it's sort of easy DIY mods you can do to your Evo, Ralliart or Lancer. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to see more of these in the future. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd like, if you enjoyed the video and you want to help me out, because yeah, likes, comments and subscribes do really help small channels grow, which I'm trying to do at the moment. So yeah, thanks heaps for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time.